By the way, there's not gonna be any cuts in this, so I have to make this a 15-minute full video, and I can't even do my outro, because this freaking website sucks. You can't make it a max height. But anyway, since Piggy ended, I haven't really had anything to play. It's just been boring on the website. Well, I got the game for you. It's not a Piggy game, but hopefully you will like it. It also has barely any scripts, so it's gonna be a really good game. And the game I'm about to make has a lot of scripts. That's a horrible game, man. That's bad. That sucks. It's Sword Wars. I like the game because it's super good. The one like from the developer. That is amazing, yo. Like 1,001 billion likes. You're weak. Your game sucks. Sword Wars, though, it has more likes than any game on the planet. Than any game. And if I can get this to load, we will be good. Load. See, the loading is good. My quality on my videos are good. Yeah, you know. Look at this game. Hold on. Wait. I wish you could pause. You can't pause on this thing? Look at this game. Look at this game. It has all your favorite people. Like Cheetahfeet. I wish you could pause on this because I would just introduce all the characters, but you can't pause on this. I'm getting a new one. I hate this website. Oh, like Cheetahfeet. And even your favorite one, me, and Jeffrey, and even Bloodwatch is down there. So come play this game. You come play this game. Just stop wasting your time and play Sword Wars. Play it. Do it now. It's the best game in the world. Everyone loves Sword Wars, and I mean everyone. Come play now, so you can just kill people with swords. I don't think the swords work, but just pretend to kill people. Probably because these models are invincible. Bye, you little idiots. Oh crap. Well, I guess we're continuing the video. You can pause apparently. I'm sorry. Yes, that was the pause button. I guess I am keeping this website. Alright. Well, we could have done this way better. I'm fine with this crappy quality. Because this is a crappy quality game. Play this game. Because and even me will help you. We'll call you an idiot. Yes. Actually, won't call you an idiot. You should cut that out, but I'm not, because it's funny, isn't it? No, it's not. That's not funny. It's definitely not funny. Call now at 22222222222222222222222 for me to do nothing, at least. Just call me to tell you that I'm not gonna call you an idiot. Because you guys aren't idiots. I'm joking when I say that, but call now.